योग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, ॲफिलेटेड बाय स्वामी रामातीर्थ मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी नांदेड. गुड मॉर्निंग all the student of class BSc SY, subject zoology, paper number 8, name of the paper cell biology and genetics, unit number 1st, overview of cells. Today's topic is eukaryotic cells, presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. So yes, student, in the last period, we see the syllabus structure. Also see this paper cell biology and genetics. First topic is the overview of cells. In this we see the last period prokaryotic cell. In this period we see the eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells consist of membranous bound organelles. They help to the taxa Eukaryota. All the species of large complex organisms are the eukaryotes, including animals, plants and fungi, and most species of the protist microorganism. Eukaryotes appears to be monophyletic organism that form a clade and made up of one of the three domains of life. The two other domains, bacteria and archaea, are the prokaryotes and have none of the above features. Eukaryotic sticks represent a teeny minority of all the living things. Even in a human body, there are the 10 times more microbes than human cells. However, due to their much larger size, their collective worldwide biomass is estimated at about equal to that of prokaryotes. Unlike prokaryotes, eukaryotic genome is enclosed in the nucleus, surrounded by the nuclear membrane. Other than the nucleus, many membrane-bound organelles dwell in their cell cytoplasm. Cell division involves separating of the genome, which is in the form of tightly packed condensed structure known as the chromosome, through the movement directed by cytoskeleton. So in this also the figure we see the eukaryotic cells. So generally they contain centrioles, Golgi body, mitochondria, free ribosomes, galaxomes, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, lysosome, plasma lemma, vacuole, or it is also called vesicle. Nucleus is covered by nuclear membrane. In this present the nucleolus, chromatin in nucleus, rough endoplasmic reticulum, pereoxines and chloroplast. So generally in this figure eukaryotic cells. Classification. Eukaryotic cells are composed of 4 kingdoms: kingdom Protista, kingdom Fungi, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. Cell feature. Eukaryotic cells are much larger than prokaryotic cells. Range between 10 to 100 micrometers. They have the variety of internal membranes and structure called organelles and cytoskeleton composed of microtubules, microfilament and intermediate filaments. They which play an important role in defining the cell organization and cell. Eukaryotic DNA is divided into the several linear bundles called chromosomes, which are separated by a microtubular spindle during the nuclear division. Internal structure in the eukaryotic cells include a variety of membrane bound structure collectively termed as the endomembrane system involved in the various function. Simple compartment called vesicle or the vehicles can form by budding of other membranes. Many cells ingest the food and other material through the process of endocytosis, where the outer membrane invaginata and then pinchen off to form the vesicle. It is probable that most other membrane bound organelles are ultimately derived from such vesicles. The nucleus is surrounded by the double membrane, commonly referred to as nuclear envelope, with pores that allow the material to move in and out. Various tubes and sheaths, like the extension of the nuclear membrane, form what is called the endoplasmic reticulum or ER, which is involved in the protein transport and maturation. It includes the rough ER, where the ribosomes are attached to the synthesized protein, which enter the interior space or the lumen. Subsequently, they generally enter vesicles which bud off from the smooth ER. In most eukaryotes, these protein-carrying vesicles are realized and further modified in stacks of flattened vesicles called the Golgi bodies or dictogons. Vesicles may be specialized for various purposes. For instance, lysosome contain the enzymes that break down the contents of food vacuoles, and peroximes are used to break down the peroxide, which is a toxic otherwise. Many protozoa have the contractile vacuoles which collect and expel the excess water, and extremes which expel the material used to deflect predators or capture prey. In the multicellular organism, hormones are often produced in the vesicles. In the higher plants, most of cell volume is taken up by the central vacuoles, which primarily maintain its osmotic pressure. The individual cell organelles will be discussed in detail of the chapter. Then also the reproduction nuclear division is often condensed with cell division. In plant cell, they are associated or hierarchy in the plant and animal kingdom. Cells associate to form the tissues, tissue to organ, which finally makes the whole organism. Then next is the prokaryotes versus eukaryote. The difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes are detailed below. Eukaryotes have a smaller surface area to volume ratio than the prokaryotes, and thus have the lower metabolic rate and the longer generation times. In some multicellular organisms, cells specialized for the metabolism will have enlarged surface such as intestinal villi. The generally difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotic cell. Character. Size of cells in prokaryotes generally 0.2 to 2 meter in diameter. Eukaryotes 10 to 100 meter in diameter. Nucleus, no nuclear membrane or the nucleoli. Eukaryotes, true nucleus consists of the nuclear membrane and nucleoli. Membrane enclosed organism. Prokaryotes absent, eukaryotes present. Example include the lysosome, Golgi complex, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, and the chloroplast. Flagellia in prokaryotes consist of two protein building block. Eukaryotes complex consist of multiple microtubules. Galax, glycocalyx present in the prokaryotes in a capsule or slime layer. Eukaryotes present in some cell that lack a cell wall. Cell wall in prokaryotes, cell wall usually present, chemically complex, typical bacterial cell wall included peptidoglycan. Eukaryotes when the present, chemically simple. Plasma membrane in the prokaryotes, no carbohydrates and generally lack the sterol. Eukaryotes, sterol and carbohydrates that serve as a receptors present. In prokaryotes, cytoplasm, no cytoplasm or cytoplasmic staining. In eukaryotes, cytoskeleton, cytoplasmic streaming. In ribosomes in prokaryotes, smaller size 70s, eukaryotes larger size 80s, smaller size 70s in organelles. Chromosome DNA arrangement in prokaryotes, single circular chromosome lack the histone. In eukaryotes, multiple linear chromosome with histone. Cell division in the prokaryotes, binary fission, eukaryote mitosis. Sexual reproduction in prokaryotes, no meiosis, transfer of the DNA fragment, only the conjugation. Eukaryotes involve the meiosis. Generally phytoplanktons, zooplanktons. Generally phytoplanktons are the photosynthetic microscopic organisms that inhabit the upper subunit layer of about all the ocean of bodies of fresh water and obtain their energy through the photosynthetic. Some phytoplanktons, some zooplanktons, small protozoans and the large metazoans. They include the holoplankton organisms